Ajwain or Trachyspermum ammi is the humble carom seed that is used as a spice and is the base of many home remedies. It has a very distinctive aroma and taste. Ajwain is a member of the Apiaceae family and is related to carrot, cumin, coriander, anise, asafoetida, etc. Ancient Egyptian civilizations used it as a medicine, as well as a culinary spice. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, it is known to treat asthma, persistent coughs, flatulence, and indigestion. Benefits of Ajwain. Ajwain consists of active compounds, thymol and carvacrol, that have powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. Ayurveda states that this seed ignites the digestive fire Agni. It is used to balance the Kapha and Vata Doshas and increases the Pitta Dosha. It may lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels and prevent heart diseases. It can reduce high blood pressure or hypertension. Ajwain is commonly used as a household remedy for digestive issues and may help fight peptic ulcers. It is known to prevent coughing and improve airflow. It is a strong nerve stimulant and effectively draws out deep-seated toxins from the body.